Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bakers often use the term patent flour to refer to baking flour. However, most flour sold today, whether bread, cake or pastry, is patent flour. It is high-quality, commercial-grade white flour. It's the milled product of the innermost part of the endosperm of the wheat grain.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In most cooking uses you may substitute whole wheat for all-purpose flour without issue. Start by swapping 1/3 of the amount of flour in your recipe for whole wheat. If your recipe calls for 1 cup flour, use 1/3 cup whole wheat and 2/3 cup all-purpose.
Take our lead.
T45 is finely ground flour using the soft wheat varieties. It is not suitable for bread but is typically used for brioche and sometimes for croissants. T45 refers to the amount of mineral content that is left after burning the flour, i.e. T45 has 0.45% mineral content.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.